Okay, this is going to be a quick video on translating equations using Algebra Lab Gear. It's a symbolic way to understand how equations work. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to need to know your symbols. You've got a long rectangle that's going to represent a variable, and in this case, for what we're doing, we'll call it x. And then you're going to have a square that's going to represent constants, numbers being added or subtracted. And then finally, you're going to have your balance scale, which is going to symbolize the equation. A balanced equation is like a seesaw that has balance. This fulcrum point, the triangle here that it's balancing on, that's going to be the equal sign. So we know the symbols. Now we're going to show how all of this can be put together to show equations. So we have these items all on a scale. They're saying the scale's balanced. What we're going to do is just kind of do it item by item and see what it translates to. So we have 3 of these rectangles. We said those were x's. We're going to call that 3x. We have these constants. Now for what we're doing right now, these are all positive constants, so we're going to think of this as positive 8, which is also, you can write it as plus 8. We have the balance point, which is going to be your equal sign. And then we have 3, 6, 9, 12. We have 12 of our constants on the other side of the equation. And that's it. This equation, this picture represents 3x plus 8 equaling 12. We're moving on. If you want, you can pause it, try figuring it out by yourself. This first one, we have a single x. You could call it 1x, but we're going to go ahead and just think of it as x. We have 3 positives, so that's going to be a plus 3. You have your balance point, which is equals, and you have 6 other constants on the other side of the equation. So this picture represents x plus 3. So here's another one. Pause it, try it on your own. If you look at it, the first part we have 2 x's. We have 6 constants, all on the same side. Then we have our equal sign, and on the other side of the balance, or the seesaw, whatever you want to call it, we have a total of 10 constants. So this picture represents 2x plus 6 equals 10. Moving on. We have, it's a little different this time. We've got our rectangles over here rather than on the left side. Not a big deal, you just follow the same process. This is going to be a total of 10 constants. We've got our equal sign. We have a total of 4 x values. And then we have a positive 5 here. That's going to be plus 5. So this picture represents the equation 10 equals 4x plus 5. That's about it. I hope this helps. Best of luck to you.